Studio plan holders, now you're able to access our dedicated community page that is created for you to make sure that you use the software and we can help you with your business as well. You can access it through the top of your admin dashboard by clicking on this little bell icon and then community. You can also find it from the menu under help and simply click on OT Cooperative. When you click on this, you'll be taken to this page with different communities or groups of topics within. You can start with new to the co-op, ask the community, OT tips and tricks, studio wins and celebrations, on-demand resources, announcements, and more. You'll be able to see all the members, upcoming events, some hot topics within each section as well. You can easily share your thoughts as well. Let's say you want to share a quick win with other studio members. You can click into here and find the topic that you'd like to talk about. You can simply reply here, or you can also create a new post. Choose where it's going to go. Add tags, what it's connected to, maybe automations, appointments, business, finance, revenue, etc. And write your post. You can also search for topics, hashtags, and keywords as well. See your own posts and replies, upcoming events, or any messages that you may receive. You can also see channels or chats up here, and any notifications, likes, saved or bookmarked posts, and edit your profile as well.